Let's talk about the recently launched OPPO smartphone Find N3 Flip with Cosmos ring design. Now, let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with main display 6.8 inches Foldable LTPO AMOLED Full HD Plus punch hole display, 120 Hz refresh rate, 1600 nits, peak brightness, 1080 by 2520 pixels. Resolution, 21:9 aspect ratio, approximately 403 ppi pixel density, and 85.9% screen-to-body ratio. With HDR10 Plus support, and Shot UTG glass protection, cover screen display, 3.26 inches AMOLED display, 60 Hz refresh rate, 900 nits, peak brightness, 720 by 382 pixels resolution, 250 ppi pixel density, and with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main wide angle camera, along with 32 megapixel telephoto camera, and with 48 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera. For selfies it has 32 megapixel main wide angle camera, video recording maximum 4K at 30 FPS on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13, based on exclusive optimized version of ColorOS 13.2, screen on top the device, under the hood the phone. CPU is octa-core, 3.05 GHz single-core Cortex-X3, plus 2.85 GHz tri-core Cortex-A715, plus 1.8 GHz quad-core Cortex-A510, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9200 chipset, paired with a Mortalis G715MC11 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256 GB or 512 GB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone unfolded measures at 166.4 by 75.8 by 7.79 mm, and folded measures at 85.5 by 75.8 by 16.45 mm, and it weighs around 198 grams, and the color options: sleek black, misty pink, cream gold, colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 4300 mAh battery, with SuperVOOC 44-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS L1 plus L5, USB Type-C audio jack, and stereo speakers, and a USB Type-C charging port, and NFC, and IPX4 splash resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. OPPO Find N3 Flip expected priced in Pakistan for 12 GB plus 256 GB. Storage variant at 254,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 274,999 Pakistani rupees, and start from $933. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this OPPO Find N3 Flip smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.